Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Twice. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another episode of Yalla Twice and we have your favorite item, guns. We have your favorite vehicles. We have your favorite animals and we have a lots of your favorite activity things in our video today. So watch this video till end and we are going to collect all the things now. Here we go. Now we are collecting all the things in this basket and we will move to washing area once we collect all the things from here. So these all your favorite characters, your favorite objects, your favorite guns, your favorite gadgets and your favorite animal we have in Yalla Twice. Please subscribe the channel, share the video and must like this video. That will help us to support to making videos every day for you. And whatever format you like, you can comment us, you can tell us what kind of things you want in your this personal favorite YouTube channel. We are almost done here. We have almost collected all the things. And soon we will be in the washing area. We have a lots of interesting things for you. As you can see, this plane I just lift. This is for you guys. So this is it from here. Let's go to washing area and here we are. Let's start our video with this first machine. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have F1 Formula car. Wow. And the next one we have a construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have front loader. Wow. Here we go. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have this big gun. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. We have AR-15 rifle. Wow, this is gonna be very interesting.
5 members doing the same motion, except they're gonna be moving, and then after that we'll have a platoon live fire leading up to the battle group live fire.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a small machine. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have ATV bike. Wow, that's a jump car. And the next one we have some animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. Zebra. Wow. Beautiful wild animal. And the next one again we have a big gun. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have this big repeater. Wow, that is awesome gun. And the next one we have again a machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go. We have your favorite Paw Patrol character, Chase. Wow. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some wild animal face. And which one is this? Crocodile. Wow, that's so scary. And the next one we have starfish. Let's wash him. Here we go, starfish. Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have some character. Let's wash him. That's your favorite character. Wow, Zuma, the Paw Patrol favorite character. And the next one we have is Wash. We have ATV jump bike. Wow, that's a big monster truck. And the next one we have is some mask. Let's wash him. We have PJ Mask. Wow, your favorite character.
Help us, Catboy! Catboy, help me!
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some weapon. It's very dangerous and grenade. That's a grenade. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some animal. Here we go, dog, the pet animal.
A steak? Barks the dog.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have the big gun. We have AR-15 camouflage pattern gun. Wow, that's a beauty. And the next one we have some animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go, horse, the favorite farm animal. Let's check out the next one. And the next one is again a construction machine. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have a road shovel. Wow. And the next one we have some airplane. Let's wash him. Airplane. That's a flying machine. Wow.
Soar through the sky and fly to your dreams.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have some machine. Let's wash him. We have McQueen truck. Wow, your favorite character.
Hey, Mac. Was on my way to Arendelle. Got a flat. Dave here helped me out.
And the next one again we have an animal. Here we go, squirrel, the cutest small animal. And the next one we have again an animal. Let's wash him. Here we go, tiger. Wow, the big wild cat.
Retire. He's a nice tiger. He does not attack. His beautiful roar can...
And what we have this now? Let's wash him. Here we go, the little dinosaur. Wow, that's a beautiful playing toy.
A dinosaur. Oh, I am a dinosaur, and this is what we do.
This is it from today. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the show. Thank you guys.